she's a tutor and she's my friend. So if I don't get in, we won't be friends anymore.
15 minutes, stuff.
Te whare o Angitu, kua te whera mai anō I tēnei tau, 2020 maono, I nāianei ko te kimi I ngā ara whakapai ake, kia eke Angitu ki taumata ke atu. Hope you fellas all had a good break. However, we want to get straight into business.
After this, we're splitting genders. Boys are going to do rako, yay!
When we do our together, left, right, left, when the left is happening, kei te spin, noiho, totaha matau. Ne?
Ai tēnei wā, kei te whakaharatau I te poi, ka rau te tino rata ki te mai I te poi, no reira me tino ukinga mai, hoi anō, ka ngana, ka tino ngana. Left. It's so hard, bro. How did we come up with these things? Left. Oh!
Hey, thank you for this one-on-one time. I'm trying to play it cool. Really honest.
Well, what do you want to know?
Strengths and weaknesses.
Oh, let's not call them weaknesses. Let's call them improvements.
Improvements.
Needed.
To-dos.
Yeah. Well, you put them however you want on your little pickle pick over there.
Okay.
Pere
Right. Left, right, left. Together, left, right, left.
Honest whakaaro?
Yeah, honest.
Okay, well, let's start with Kamai.
Let's go to the strengths.
Energy.
Energy. She's got great energy about
You
her.
cannot doubt her energy. And that's also what we look for in kapake. We don't just want the show ponies.
Yeah.
We are trying.
We're gonna
Third
make it.
time
We're gonna
lucky.
make it. We want those that are going to come and give good energy. Feed the whānau. FTW. You know, feed the whānau.
FTW.
Yeah,
feed the whānau. Is that something you got to say right here?
Oh, yeah. Feed the whānau with your wairua.
And weaknesses.
She's got little arms.
Left, right, left.
There's actually no prejudice against T-Rex arms. But what happens is that she gets to her position faster than the rest.
With her little arms.
Yeah, because when she's traveling, say if we're going from here to there, everyone else has to go from here and all the way down there. She just goes
Oh, yeah.
so
she's
she
quick
gets
ass.
places too early. So timing. The other thing for improvements,
Yeah, improvements.
vocal consistency.
Yeah.
She's got actually one of the best tones in the kapa. She's got a great awareness of vocals, but you know, look by lunchtime, oh, girl's got no voice.
I know, she's going out getting some lunch.
She's talking like this.
Can I have some kai,
This
please?
is her laugh.
Yeah, got little arms and a raspy voice.
Yeah.
How could we improve her voice? Any tips or ideas?
Less chatting.
Her and Aniwa.
Oh, they're the yappers.
Aniwa?
Yeah.
Can we just go Aniwa?
Aniwa strength execution. Aniwa is one of the sharpest tools in the shed.
That's great.
Aniwa can execute and out-execute wahine and tane, rako and poi. Improvements, vocals. Vocal volume. Aniwa is quite slender. So, you know, doesn't have as much tinana to bellow.
Don't feel it here,
Yeah,
eh?
wow, you've seen all the big backs in Angitu.
Yeah.
We've got just big energy.
Yeah.
Big vocals, big voice, big everything.
Bulk them up?
Bulk them up.
Aniwa?
Well, I mean, yeah, that might help, eh? Give a bit of volume.
No,
you know, you might be onto something there, Harrison.
Kia ora tāne mā. Tō tai ngā mihi o te wā, ngā mihi o te tauhau Pākehā kia tātai. Nā reira, ahakoa no hea, ahakoa kawai. Hala mai, haka tau mai. First and foremost, put our lakos to the side. You're working on your pocket. Shoes off.
What would you prefer to do?
Oh, obviously the poi. Definitely, for sure. But you know, me no hoa ki te mahi tane, tēnei wā. So, hākura nei ka kite.
All right. This jaw shape here, ka pai, tu tāne. Left foot forward, right foot at the back, boxing stance. Ne, shape of an L. Malama. So relax, here we go, and tutane. There it is. Go, kiri kiri to, ball urua. Chukua. Chukua. Alright, whakahukia. Chukua. Chukua. Lift the knee up, that's it. Chukua. Nice boys. Chukua. Beautiful. Come boy. Harris, jump in now. Hello, my break. Get in the mix of it. Boys, whāngai here, tō tātene, Yeah, that fella Harrison's a bit of a hard case guy, all right? Bit of a funny guy. Oh, we'll put him to the test. Ka pai. Me whāngai here, ka wainga ia tātou. Taua wai hoki wahora. Ka pai, bring him in.
Very interesting. I'm excited to see what he's got. Been talking up a big game. What you got, Harry?
All good. Let's see your kahunguna blood kick in. All right. Hey, Tatane! Go, kiri tāu. Pautai. Tukua! Tukua!
I don't know what anyone's on about. That's easy. Damn, it's not that bad. Nah, bullshit. It's pretty technical. It's hard. I'm no good. Thank you.
All right, come on, the buggy.
Should probably cut it up. I need to ask some slack in there.
If you can bring back new performers, we'll dedicate a haka to you.
For me.
Yeah. I'll dye all of the hair red, matatini. We'll come out, ganga.
Damn, everyone's a patu party here this year. Oh, that's the secret.
Don't release
Don't
that
put
before
those in.
matatini, eh?
Don't put those in, 'cause
Don't
then-
you give that secret out.
Sorry.
We've got to hold it for matatini.
Yeah, that's quiet.